Hi everyone, I'm Zen Kiprianou. I'm a software architect and developer, and for the better part of the last decade, I've lived and worked in London, working for startups, large corporations, helping them deliver better software for their customers. I recently moved to Cyprus, and I'm one of the co-founders of Factory 39.
Hi, I'm Martin Zarian, the other co-founder of Factory 39. I grew up in Italy, but I'm originally from Armenia. Because of my very mixed family background, I always enjoyed interacting with other cultures.
So why Cyprus? Well, Cyprus is an amazing place to live and work. It has an extraordinary quality of life, great food, it's really well connected to Europe and the rest of the world, and has great weather. And by the way, there's a technology revolution going on in the island, and we really wanted to be a part of it.
I've been in the creative industry for about 10 years now. I spent most of my careers in London, where I was working with companies focused on branding and brand strategy. I really enjoy helping my clients achieve the business goal through the use of my creative skills.
Here at the factory, I'm the geeky one. I'm the solution to your digital needs. I can either consult you on your existing infrastructure or build new custom software for you.
I'm the creative one, but I like to call myself a creative problem solver. I really enjoy helping brands to better connect to their users. Here at Factory 39, we develop the logo, which is the vessel of your brand, but we also really focus on all the branding aspect, which is the gut feeling that someone has while interacting with your brand.
So what sets us apart in terms of software? I believe it's my richly diverse background working for different corporations around the world, both large and small, like for example, Thomson Reuters, BT, or eBay. But you don't really care about that. What you should really care about is our approach. We are an agile company, and that means we follow an iterative approach that allows us to adapt to changing requirements.
We have a really strategic approach to all our branding projects. We diagnose, prescribe, and only after, when we're ready, develop the solution. We want to make sure that your brand is ready to launch and will interact with your users in the right way.